Hi everyone. This is week 3 in our series about the elements of art. You know that the elements of art are line, shape, form, color, value, space, and texture. We've already done line and shape. This week we're going to do form. Form is an object that has 3 dimensions. Think about it this way. A square is 2-dimensional. It's flat. A cube is a form. It's 3D. A circle is flat. It's 2-dimensional. A sphere or a ball is 3-dimensional. Therefore, it's a form. I'm going to show you today how to make a box out of a piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of copier paper. Copier paper is thin and it's going to be easier to fold than a piece of construction paper. So I would definitely recommend that you use copier paper. Now you want to use a square. And the best way to make a square, if you don't have a ruler, is to simply take a corner, pull it all the way over until you crease it right at the corner. And then you fold it. And this part is going to be removed. The best way to do that, you can use a ruler or a straight edge. I'm just going to fold it this way. And then I'll just cut it with my scissors here. Okay, I'll get this out of the way. Now I already have one fold. Now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to put the corner from the bottom up at the top. Make a nice crease down here. It's important to get it as close to exact as you can. So we have corner to corner. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to go top to bottom. And then side to side. Okay, so at this point, we have a nice piece of paper that's been folded. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the corners in. I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna fold this corner in. I think I'll go to the opposite. This one. And this one. All right, now that I have these folded in, I'm going to divide it into thirds. Now before I make a commitment, I think I'll roll it together and use my fingers to make sure that it feels even before I press it down into a crease. So there we go. All right, so I folded it into thirds at this point. Okay, so I've got it in thirds. I'm going to open it up at this point, and I'm going to pull this side and this side out, and I'm going to do thirds again. I'm going to do it this way. Again, I'm going to use this, I'm going to do it the same way. I'm just going to try to make sure that they're even by using my fingers before I press down. All right, so there we have it. So you can see I folded it in on itself. Now what I'm going to do is fold the paper from the end. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go along this crease here. Press my crease. I'm going to do the same on this side, but I'm going to go down. All right. Now I'm going to do the opposite. This one's down. And then this one will go up. Okay, now I'm going to make my box. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to open it up on this side and this side. And this will be the beginnings of the wall of one of the sides, the two sides of the square. Now very carefully, I'm going to pull these in, and I'm going to fold this down over and tuck it in. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. And I'm going to tuck that in. All right, so I'm going to turn it upside down, and you see I have a square. Now, this looks like a cube. It isn't, because it's open here. If I want to make a cube, what I'll do is get a second piece of paper, the same size. I'll do the exact same thing, put them together like a box with a lid, and that's how I will end up with a box. Remember, I think it's important to use copier paper because construction paper is thicker and more difficult to fold. All right, so I hope you have a chance to do this and that you enjoyed it.